Okay, again, this is Milwaukee 3 1/4 horsepower corded saw, 7 1/4, and this is a 24 tooth carbide. This is good thing because if I hit any nails, I got my butt covered pretty much. You know, it's going to hurt it, but I'll get through them. I'm going to make 4 cuts through the center. These here existing joints. These are 2 1/4 inch wide, 3/4 deep. My saw blade depth is 5/8. I don't want to hit any water lines. I'm assuming there could be a water line, electric. So I just want to work with the wood only. I'm going to hit this one twice and this one twice to relieve the pressure, so I can push it down and screw into the floor joist. Every 3-inch screws into the floor joist. Every 2 foot, they're 2 foot centers. They're running this direction. So let's go ahead and throw in a cut here. It's a drop style cut. You gotta be careful when you follow that edge. I know I got a lot of pressure here. What we got going on is a ventilation problem in the crawl space. This is a moisture issue, this isn't termites. Luckily, for some reason termites don't seem to like the red oak here in Florida. That's a great thing. So I'm gonna make another relief cut on the opposite side. Getting a little tight there. So what I got going on here now, I need to take a little more out to relieve this pressure, because when I stood on it, I can't get it down. That means that if I go and screw it down, it's a little too much pressure, even if I hit the floor joist in the center. So I'm gonna make 2 more cuts just to loosen it up a little bit more. Okay, here we go for cut number 4. There, we're getting closer. So it looks like what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and drop my blade depth to closer to 3/4. I'm not hitting pipes or electric, so I'm feeling good about this. Then what I'll do is I'll find the centers. I'd say these joints, we got centers, I'll be running screws here. But I'll get back with you. I'm going to drop the 3/4 and take a little more material out so this floor can collapse together. Okay, so I got a lot of pressure here from this moisture pushing these up. They're tongue and groove, but that's okay. I got floor joists every 2 foot center. I think they're 2x10s under there. I'm gonna go ahead and make a cut, a lower cut. Now we're starting to get that to come down. I'm set at 3/4 inch depth. I'm going to make 2 more passes on these originals at the 3/4. Remember, I was at 5/8 on the first cuts, just out of caution. It's got electric brake on it, so it's really nice. Always stay back, stay positioned correctly. You kicks back, you're getting hurt bad. Also, when I'm changing that blade there, depth, always unplug. I don't care what anybody tells you, always unplug. All right, I'm gonna go one more here. This is 3/4. All right, they got equal lengths here. Now you see that now? I could screw that down now. Kind of lost the tongue and groove there, but we can't take out anymore, or else I'm gonna ruin this floor because I need it to go back together. And just to be nice and level, down underlayment, and we can, like I said, luxury vinyl plank, those interlock planks, those are great. Or you can use, if you like Bruce engineered scrape flooring, there's a lot of great products out there. But I'm gonna use stud finder, and what I'm gonna do is run these screws straight on down, right into the floor joist. And this is gonna pull it all down in. And it's going to keep it there. So these are 3-inch screws. I got 3/4 inch. So that gives me 2 1/4 inch going into the meat of that joist. All right, so I found the center of a floor joist here. What I got that mode? I'm set at 1 inch. So anyways, I pre-drilled a screw right here. And I just want to show you how this is going to drop this down after we've cut the relief joints. Okay, I have a Milwaukee. I'm set on 1, about 22 on the clutch. Okay, did you see how that pulled her down? If we want to flush it a little bit, we can just go ahead and grab it out. And I'm going to go ahead and run it a little faster and put some more pressure. These other ones, anyways, what I'm going to do, I'm going to screw all the way across here, and I'm going to continue until all these are level. Then I can put underlayment and my flooring. So not the worst thing could happen. A worst case scenario would have been termites destroyed this and it all had to be replaced. So, but still, you could put in 3/4 inch plywood and go through underlayment and your finished flooring, you know. Even those luxury planks that have the built-in underlayment, on Crawlspace I recommend a 2 or 3 millimeter the polyethylene. Anyways, here's the finished result. I got now let's see, 1, 2, 3. Here's where we had to tow pieces together, and they splice on a joist. They're supposed to when an end piece of a, you know, these 3/4 by 2 1/4 hardwood. They did that right. So, but for me to bring it down, I need a toe on each side. So like here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could put one there, but I don't think it's necessary. And if we go 2 foot over, we're holding that 2 foot center thing. Yeah, I'm good here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know, you can balance these out. If you got a little rise, like right there, I got a little bit up there, I'll go ahead and put some weight on it, stand on it, and run it down. It looks like I'm just up maybe a little over 1/16. And we're all good here. So like I said, ready to go. You know, for whatever flooring you want. You seal up this crawl space. Any problems coming up from there. We don't have termites here. I would add moisture control through ventilation in this crawl space, but to control air quality in this living environment, I would put down underlayment and then a snap click luxury vinyl, or that's probably what I go with the crawl space over the engineered hardwood. All right, thanks, man. Have a great day.